Hi, so we are going to Super Kid's house again because Super Kid just bought it. But anyways, Super Kid's got a really cool house. Just to tell you, I'm not lying. Super Kid's got a really cool house. So anyways, in Super Kid's house, he's got well, anyways, he has a backyard, which you probably already know that. But they are working on putting a pool in their backyard. So in their backyard, they are working on putting a pool back there. So, anyways, ready? So yeah. Are you able to see my mouth? Wait, so I'm gonna see this here. So here's my regular voice, as you can hear. Let's see if you can hear my voice, how I hear it. Hey, how? What? Just making videos. You heading off to Super Kid's house? Super Kid just bought a new house, right? Right? Just kidding, he actually didn't buy it. We were just joking you, but the whole time he actually lived in that house for 3 years, actually. It's not actually new. He lived in there for 3 years about. So here I am, sitting on the picnic table. Walking to the trampoline. So I am on the trampoline now. What in the world? What is this? Is this a cigarette? Is this a cigarette?
I don't know. Stop. Or you gotta go inside.
Yeah, but it's weird if this is a cigarette on a trampoline. Oh, wait. I don't think these were cigarettes. I think they're fireworks. Here I am bouncing on that tramp. Holy! Here's my. Now you're about to get my view. Dude! No! Should I drop the phone? Should I drop the phone into the grass? Why? It's not gonna break, it's grass. Yeah, but it's gonna be grass. I wanna see the point of view. You're in the car today. You're in the car. What?
Over there.
Yeah, I know they're taking down a tree. We're in the car, right? Where are we going?
Ivy.
Where are we going?
Ivy.
Hy-Vee?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, to give something to somebody?
Yeah. Somebody's buying your coat from us.
What coat? Oh, that? Okay, so where are we on our way to? This is where we got arrested. Well, you got arrested, remember? Yeah. So we're on our way to Hy-Vee. Here I am, hi. Here.
You know those hornet bees I was telling you about?
Yeah?
Those murder bees?
Yeah?
They can't live in Minnesota.
They can't? That's good.
Because it's too cold here. They're originally from Japan, which is hot. So that's why they're in warmer states right now, is because they can survive there. But they can't
Washington?
survive. Yeah.
How are they in Washington?
Washington's not cold, but it's just rainy.
Yeah, but Washington's up north in the United States.
I don't know.
It probably snows there. Hey,
No, stop. No,
Joe.
no. We can't all run towards the cat. He's going to run away.
guys. Don't be mean to the cat.
Trixie.
Be nice to the cat.
Oh, he's such a good kitty. Logan, stop.
He's nice to the cat, though.
Hi, buddy.
Hey, super kid. Hi. What are you doing today?
Nothing.
Just staying at your house, at your new house?
For the jets to come so then I can film them.
Do you like your house?
Yeah.
Where do you sleep?
Yes.
I love Joey.
Upstairs.
Yes.
One of those rooms.
Yes.
Really?
They're super villain.
No.
What? Are they coming? Well, oh yeah, there's jets coming. Here we are, Super Kid's house. You just spot it, did you? Hey, remember this was the long jump. Super Kid, this was the long jump. Remember, this was where the long jump was. The long jump was right here. I jumped on this thing. You see it?
Yeah, look, I see it. JK. You had to do it.
Yeah, but it doesn't protect the screen because one, it's like kind of broken.
Yeah, you dropped it already.
You're gonna land that thing and poop it.
No, sis. Hang on to it. Brad got that when he was like 6.
Really?
Yeah,
Baby, don't put
So we're on the road somewhere in the country heading off to our cousin's new house. Right? Right, guys?
They have an armed guard at Menard's front door.
Yeah, why though?
I don't know. John, the one that was married to Donna, he just said, wow, an armed guard at Menard's front door, really? That's ridiculous. Did you see at Hy-Vee starting today, they're eliminating meat? How much meat you can buy?
A huge shortage.
So here I am in the car. We are on our way to my cousin's new house. Well, they haven't bought it yet. Their names are Bryson and Kinsley, and they have not bought the house yet, but they will be buying the house in June. It's May right now, so they'll be buying it in June. We're going over the river. Yeah, there's houses over there. Here's the river. It's like the 7 Mile Bridge, right? The 7 Mile Bridge. Look at the rocks. So, guys, do you like the car, guys? Do you like it?
Love it.
What?
Love it.
You love your car? So where in the world can, our house be? It's over this way. Why are we turning here?
Going to their house, look.
Why are we going to their houses right now?
Because they haven't moved into the other one. Why would we go to the other one if they haven't moved yet?
I thought you said we're going to the other one.
Let's go to Ash's house.
Oh, I thought we were going to like there to do something, like get a tricycle.
Yeah, we're picking up the tricycle.
Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. I thought we were going to the new house. Oh no, we're getting into a car crash! We're getting into a car crash! Oh my gosh! We got the car moving again, but we crashed! Oh, we crashed this car into a tree. Hulk is mad. Where are we going? Where are we going? Huh? Liberty, where are we going? Where are we going? Stop looking at me. Hulk is so mad. Hulk's head hurts. Hulk's got a headache. Hulk has a headache. Hulk has a headache. 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 Hulk's so sick. I think I got sick from a car crash. Hulk threw up. We're at Bryson and Kinsley's actual house as of right now, not their new house. What are we doing? What's doing? She just broke into their house. Hulk's gotta get out for a sec, okay? Can Hulk get out for a sec?
No.
Why?
No.
Why? Hulk wants to get out. Hulk's got a headache. Hulk's got a headache. Hulk's got a headache on his forehead. Hulk is so mad. Hulk got to go to Super Kid's house for the first time. What are you doing?
Are you ready to switch mobile providers?
We back on our way back home?
Delivering the fastest
When do you have
overall
to meet the
speeds
lady for
and the most reliable mobile service coast to coast. And now
Hulk is mad. What are you guys doing? You're making Hulk mad.
Enough.
Seriously, I'm gonna take the phone away.
Hulk's got a headache from the car crash. Hulk's got a headache from the car crash.